Welcome to Crochet Remedy. Crochet is the remedy to just about everything. Here is your dose of all things crochet from my hook to yours. Have you ever wanted to crochet Max from Stranger Things? Well, I've got 5 tips that will help you crochet your very own version of Max Mayfield. Tip number 1, a strong start. Stay focused. There are lots of increases, decreases, color changes, back loop only in the first 6 rounds of this pattern. So in order to have a strong start, you've got to be super focused. No distractions. Tip number 2, use the same yarn weight and yarn brand throughout the entire pattern. This is going to help with stitch definition. It's going to also allow for smooth transitions throughout the pattern, smooth body proportions as well. For this doll, I chose to use Hobbii Friends Cotton 8-4. It's a 100% cotton yarn, and I love how she turned out. She is so cute. Tip number 3, yarn over, yarn under, or do a combination of both. There is so much talk in the crochet community right now about what is best for crochet dolls and amigurumi. And here's my take. Do you, boo. Whatever looks good and feels good to you, do it. I chose to yarn over. That is the method that I am comfortable with. And I love how my doll came out. She looks great. She has great stitch definition. She's smooth. She's cute. So, do you, boo. Tip 4, make your doll unique. In the show of Stranger Things, Max has gorgeous hair, and I wanted to feature that in the doll. So I chose to make her ponytail fuller and longer to make her curls come through. Check the description box for details about how I changed up her hair. To stabilize the doll's neck even more, repeat round 24 in the neck 2 to 3 times before you finish out the doll head. Here's a bonus tip. Take a break when you need it. This pattern can feel long. So if you need a break, whether it's a 15-minute break, maybe you need an hour break from the pattern, or maybe you just need to pause and revisit the pattern again the next day, that's totally fine. Do what's best for you. I hope these tips were helpful. Comment below about your favorite Stranger Things character. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.